what you have to do is get your audio region and apply a fade. To do that, you need to press T for your tools menu and then select A, which is where the fade is located. And I'm going to apply a fade in here. This fade in is at the moment a volume fade in. But what I want to do is I want to change it to a speed up fade in. To do that, I have to control click and then select speed up. Once that has been selected, this changes to an orange line instead of a grey line, and it sounds like this. Then I'm going to apply the same thing, but towards the end of a file, so a slow down. So this is how the Android Lyric ends normally. So using TA, I'm going to select and create a fade at the end. Control click or right click, choose slow down, turns it into orange, and here's what it sounds like.